Cardiorespiratory endurance is one of the key components of fitness. But what is it? Quite a big word, cardiorespiratory endurance. Well, what it actually means is your body's ability to take in oxygen through breathing and have your heart and lungs and blood vessels to spread that oxygen to all of the tissue in your body. Cardiorespiratory endurance is usually practiced and improved through physical activity, specifically aerobic exercise. When we do aerobic exercise, that requires us to use a lot of oxygen and work our heart muscle. That heart and those lungs get stronger, meaning that next time we're able to do it for even longer and even better. So if you work on your cardiorespiratory endurance, you are going to be able to exercise for a longer period of time without getting as tired. It also means that your heart is going to be stronger and healthier, meaning you have a reduced risk for cardiovascular illness. So don't be shy. Get out there today. 5 minutes is all it takes to start to build your cardiorespiratory endurance, and you can build on that each and every day.